We begin our floor construction with our first layer of protection. This is a Darco material. It's a woven, highly durable, waterproof material that is a moisture barrier between the chassis and the floor. So that's our first layer. Our second layer of protection is a radiant reflective barrier. What this does is it prevents any kind of radiant heat from the exterior of the floor to penetrate into the floor. So it literally bounces the heat away from the floor area. And we glue that onto the Darco for our second layer of protection. In our third layer, we actually glue a batting insulation onto that radiant barrier layer. Then on top of that, we place our fourth layer, which is an aluminum welded cage frame that is 3 inches thick. Then our fifth layer is another layer of the batting insulation. So you're getting 2 layers of that batting insulation. And the second layer is stuffed in between any of the cavities in that welded cage. Then what we do is we apply a layer of fast cure adhesive sealant to place our 5/8 inch tongue and groove plywood, just like you would have in a home installation. That's all screwed down and sandwiched, which makes our 3-inch floor very sturdy and durable floor that's actually insulated on top of that chassis. So the chassis is completely sealed with that floor sandwiched on top.